Need to clean the heating coil in your Instant Pot Vortex? Here's how to do it safely. If your coil is starting to smell, smoke, or just look greasy, don't ignore it. But don't scrub it like a pan either. Here's how to clean it safely without damaging anything. Step 1. Unplug and let the unit cool completely. Never clean the coil when it's hot, even if the fan stops. Let it sit unplugged for at least 30 minutes to avoid burns and prevent streaking from leftover moisture or oil. Step 2. Use a soft brush or cloth, never metal. The coil is exposed and heats directly. Anything abrasive can damage it or scratch the housing around it. I use a soft coil brush that fits behind and around the curve. No steel wool, no scouring pads. Step 3. Lightly dampen the cloth if needed. If they're stuck on grease, use a small amount of warm water on the cloth or brush. Never spray directly into the chamber or soak anything near the coil. Liquid and electronics don't mix. Step 4. Dry thoroughly before plugging in. Moisture left near the coil can create steam, smoke, or even short the unit. Let everything air dry for 10 to 15 minutes, or use a dry cloth to finish up before your next cook. If this helped you safely clean your coil and stop the smell or smoke, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need something that won't scratch or soak your coil, I've linked the soft brush I use below. It fits right behind the element without hitting the wiring or walls. Thanks for watching, and brush gently.